Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. Imagine being somewhere that should be your safe haven, your comfort zone and your peace amid the storms, so you let your guard down and fall asleep only to feel something strange that pulled you out of your dream world and into a nightmare. How would you feel? Well, that was what happened in today's story titled, My Uncle's Nephew Fondled Me in My Sleep. This is a real jaw-dropping story, but before we get into it, please, for me, like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell. Without further ado, the letter to the pastor reads.
Dear Pastor, I am 18 years old and I have a complaint to make. I am living with my aunt and her husband. I have been living here from I was 10 years old. My mother is away and my aunt took me and sent me to school. I love her world without end. Unless someone tells you that she is not my mother, nobody knows. I call her mommy. Many people say that we resemble each other. She does not have children, so all the love is poured on me. My goal is to be a teacher. Pastor, while growing up, her husband has never interfered with me. I have my own room, but of late I am not happy. My uncle, my aunt's husband, has a nephew who came to Kingston to look for a job and is staying here with us in the helpers' quarters. One day I was studying and I fell asleep on the couch. My aunt and her husband had gone out, and this dirty boy pushed his hand up my skirt and was fondling me. I woke up and pushed him off, and I told him that I am going to tell my aunt and his uncle what he did. He begged me not to tell them and that he was only playing with me because he loves me, so I did not tell them. But every time I see him, my spirit boils up in me. I didn't expect him to touch me. He is in his 20s and he has his girlfriend in the country. Do you think that I should tell my aunt and uncle what he did? I am waiting on you for your advice. Elsie.
Dear Elsie, I suggest that you tell your aunt what this guy did and be prepared for him to deny it. Explain to them the circumstances, how it happened and what you did and what he said to you. I expect your guardians to warn him or throw him out of the house. He deserves to be put out. I am sure that they were not expecting him to abuse you in any form or touch you inappropriately. That is not the way a man should approach a girl, even if he loves her. He should not have approached you at all, considering that you are related to him. You are a very intelligent girl and you know that if you had not stood up against this man, he would have had his way with you. Don't take chances with him. Even if he denies that he touched you, your aunt is likely to believe you because she knows that you are a clean and decent young woman. Pastor.
Well guys, Pastor hit the nail on the head. I can imagine how terrified Elsie must have been to be awoken out of her sleep to realize that her uncle's nephew was playing with her like a piano but to a disturbing and unwanted tone. However guys, this is something I want you to know. Never, and I mean never, touch a girl who did not give you a go-ahead, especially if she is not into you. Touching her without the green light will get you locked up, on the SO list or even AHIT list, and 2 of the 3 will ruin your whole life. There is no recovering from that because even guys who relied on never recovered. So imagine if you really did it. And the other option, you won't even be here to worry, but you will be remembered in history as a predator, and that's not a legacy you want to leave behind. You are better than that man. Never fall to your sexual urges to the point you throw your life away. Anyways, a few people commented on this.
First comment comes from Juju Brown, which says, don't hesitate to tell your aunt, next time he might try to rape you. Not sure if this lady is related to Andrew Tate, but Shakira Tate added, word. Tell on him. Courtney also added, the time that he was taking to interfere with you, he should have used it instead to plan his life in relation to upgrading his educational level, and which church he would attend and serve Jesus. He is a nasty man. You also need to tell him that what he did was also illegal, and that you could also have gotten him arrested and charged for indecent assault. Some men really like to see trouble, and take up trouble. Damn nasty. God bless, replied to Courtney, stop telling people about Jesus. When you start serving right, you can talk. You curse people because they express outrage over a pastor who had sex with a 13-year-old and then expect people to listen to you. I used to admire you for spreading God's word until I realized you are just a hypocrite. Whosoever shall cause one of my sheep to go astray. You know the rest. God doesn't like them lukewarm. Speak the truth and stop pretending. Fanny added, Pastor, stop reclicing these old stories. Ania, with the last comment, said, talk the thing.
Alright guys, I do not know what God bless knows that we don't, but it seems she knows something and was really upset at Courtney. It seems Courtney may have defended someone who fondled a young lady and now is saying that the uncle's nephew is a nasty man for fondling LC. Boy, guys, this is why you have to be careful what you say on the internet, because anything you say can and may be used against you even years down the line. Anyway guys, what do you think about this story? Have you ever been in a situation where you were looking at a young lady lustfully? What did you do? What advice would you give to other guys who may not have much control over their sexual urges? Drop your thoughts in the comment section to help someone out. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more stories like this one and like the video because it helps out a lot. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Love.